Hi everyone, and welcome back to Uplift Harmony. Today, we're diving into the incredible story of Qin Shi Huang, the first emperor of China. Known for uniting a fractured land during the Warring States period, Qin Shi Huang's legacy is a fascinating blend of innovation, ambition, and power. From building the foundation of the Great Wall to creating the world-famous Terracotta Army, his reign forever shaped Chinese history. Stick around as we explore his extraordinary life, groundbreaking achievements, and the lessons we can learn from his remarkable journey. Qin Shi Huang, 259 BCE, 210 BCE, originally named Yingzheng, was the first emperor to unify China under a single centralized government. Born during the Warring States period, a time of chaos and division among 7 major states, he became the king of the Qin state at the age of 13, after his father's death. By 221 BCE, through relentless military campaigns and strategic alliances, Yingzheng succeeded in conquering the other 6 states, declaring himself Qin Shi Huangdi, the first emperor of Qin. As emperor, Qin Shi Huang implemented sweeping reforms to consolidate his power and unify the newly formed empire. He standardized currency, weights, and measures, and introduced a unified system of writing, which greatly facilitated trade and communication across China. His ambitious infrastructure projects included an extensive network of roads and canals, as well as the initial construction of what would later become the Great Wall of China, built to protect against northern invaders. However, his reign was also marked by authoritarian rule and harsh measures to suppress dissent. He famously ordered the burning of books and the execution of scholars who opposed his policies, aiming to erase conflicting philosophies and enforce legalist doctrines. Despite his strict methods, these actions left a lasting legacy of a strong centralized state. Qin Shi Huang's ambition extended to immortality. Obsessed with living forever, he commissioned the creation of the Terracotta Army, a vast collection of life-sized clay soldiers, horses, and chariots designed to protect him in the afterlife. This archaeological wonder was discovered in 1974 near his mausoleum in Xian, showcasing the emperor's vision and the advanced craftsmanship of the Qin dynasty. Despite his achievements, his reign was short-lived. Qin Shi Huang died in 210 BCE during a journey to seek elixirs of immortality. His death triggered political instability, and the Qin dynasty collapsed just 4 years later. Nevertheless, Qin Shi Huang remains a symbol of ambition, innovation, and the unification of China, leaving a profound impact on Chinese history and culture.
Here are 10 powerful quotes attributed to Qin Shi Huang, reflecting his mindset, ambition, and governing principles. Number 1. I have brought order out of chaos, peace out of war, and unity out of division. This quote highlights his achievement of unifying China after centuries of conflict, creating the first centralized Chinese empire. Number 2. A great empire must have great foundations. Qin Shi Huang emphasized the importance of laying strong foundations for long-term success, reflected in his sweeping reforms and infrastructure projects. Number 3. The world is vast, but my will is vaster. This reflects his boundless ambition to leave a legacy that would be remembered for ages. Number 4. Strengthen the trunk, weaken the branches. A strategy of centralizing power in the emperor's hands while reducing the influence of feudal lords. Number 5. Laws bring order. Without them, there is chaos. A firm belief in legalism, where strict laws and severe punishments were used to maintain order and control. Number 6. The people must obey, for the empire depends on discipline. This reflects his governance style, which relied on strict control to maintain stability and unity. Number 7. To protect the empire, one must fortify its borders, reflected in his construction of the Great Wall of China to defend against northern invaders. Number 8. Hurim. The heavens have chosen me to rule. None may challenge my authority. A declaration of his divine right to rule, solidifying his power and legitimacy. Number 9. Eternity is the goal, and nothing short of it will suffice. Seen in his quest for immortality and his construction of the vast mausoleum guarded by the Terracotta army. Number 10. History remembers only those who take action, not those who hesitate. Qin Shi Huang's reign was marked by decisive and transformative actions, shaping the future of China.
Qin Shi Huang, the first emperor of China, left a legacy of monumental achievements that profoundly shaped Chinese history. He unified China in 221 BCE, ending centuries of warring states and establishing the first centralized empire. To strengthen this unification, he standardized systems of weights, measures, currency, and writing, fostering improved trade and communication. His reign also saw the construction of the Great Wall, connecting and fortifying existing walls to defend against northern invasions. Qin Shi Huang's ambition extended to building the massive Terracotta army, a testament to his belief in an eternal rule, and he centralized power by reforming governance and infrastructure. These accomplishments laid the foundation for China's imperial structure and remain enduring symbols of his impact. If you're eager to learn more about Qin Shi Huang, I've included some recommended books in the description below. You can also explore his legacy by visiting incredible museums like the Museum of the Terracotta Warriors and Horses in Xian, China. This UNESCO World Heritage Site houses the iconic Terracotta Army, a collection of life-sized statues created to accompany the emperor into the afterlife, offering unmatched insights into ancient Chinese art, military, and burial customs. Another must-visit is the Shanxi History Museum, also in Xian. Known as the Treasure House of Ancient China, it features an extensive collection of Qin dynasty artifacts that highlight Qin Shi Huang's monumental contributions to Chinese culture and governance. Plus, I've included details about trips to these historic sites in the description. Don't miss the chance to explore his fascinating legacy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more captivating stories about historical legends like Qin Shi Huang. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And stay tuned because in my next video, I'll be diving into the life of another incredible figure who shaped history. See you there.